This tutorial shows how to invite team members to your VowProof workspace for access to projects, proofs, proposals, invoices, and client communication. So let's dive in. From your VowProof dashboard, click the Settings tab from the left-hand menu to open the configuration options in VowProof. Next, click Invite Team tab from the tab menu. Now click Invite to begin inviting a new team member to your VowProof workspace. Enter their email address in the email field. Select the role or permissions you wish to assign to this individual. Click Send Invitation to email the invitation to the new team member. Once you have sent the invitation, this is what it will look like in their email when they receive it. They will select Accept Invitation. Click Continue to sign up to proceed with account creation. They will then be prompted to enter their full name in the name field and create a password. They then must click I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy to accept the legal agreements. And click Create Account and Join Team to finalize their account creation and team membership. To verify your team member is now set up in VowProof, you will then head back into the Settings tab within the platform and see their name and email address listed under the Team tab. From there, you will be able to change their role or remove them from your team anytime in the future.